One example of a direct variation model is the equation distance equals rate times time. We normally express direct variation as y equals k times x, but notice how the distance formula fits this form, where the constant of variation k would be the rate. And here's a sample application problem. Suppose you are driving. You notice that after driving 2 hours, you are 135 miles from your hometown. You continue driving and calculate that after driving 5 hours, you are 321 miles from your home. We want to know what is the rate in miles per hour from the time of 2 hours to 5 hours. To do this, we can actually treat the given information as ordered pairs and then determine the slope of the line passing through those 2 points. So we're going to let the time represent the x coordinates and the distance represent the y coordinates. So if we know after driving 2 hours you are 135 miles from home, we can represent that information by the ordered pair 2, 135, where the x-coordinate would be in hours and the y-coordinate would be in miles. The second point would be 5, 321, because after driving 5 hours, you are 321 miles from home. So the slope of the line passing through these 2 points would be the rate in miles per hour. So we can use our slope formula, m, which in this case would be the rate. It's going to be equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1, which again is measuring the change in the distance with respect to the change in time. So we'll call these the 1s and these the 2s. So this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So we'll have 321 minus 135 all over 5 minus 2. So we'd have 186 divided by 3, which is equal to 62. And again, this is the rate, which would be in miles per hour. Next question is, how far do you travel every 7 hours at this rate? We're going back up to our distance formula. We now know that the distance in miles is going to be equal to the rate, which is 62 miles per hour, times t, or the time, in hours. So for this question, we know that t would be 7. So we'd have the distance is going to be equal to 62 times 7. So the distance traveled every 7 hours at this rate would be 434 miles. The last question is, how long will it take to travel 465 miles? So again, using our distance formula for this situation, we're now given d. We want to solve for t. So using distance equals 62 times t, we're now going to have 465 equals 62t. And to solve this equation for t, we would divide both sides by 62. So the time in hours would be equal to this quotient here, which comes out to 7.5. And this would be in hours. So it takes 7.5 hours to drive 465 miles if the rate is 62 miles per hour. And that's going to do it for this example.